Hi and welcome back to the Escape Room Scholar. I'm Rob and today we'll be talking about how we actually use the Escape Room Decoder Box in the classroom. And I should know because it's something that I invented and designed. Now first of all, let's have a quick reminder of what this decoder box actually does. And there's 5 different functions it performs. Firstly, it does the puzzle validation. It validates the participants' answers. Did they get the puzzle right or did they get it wrong? And so it's doing a gatekeeping operation there. Secondly, it keeps track of time and adds a bit of tension with that as well. You can see this time ticking away. Thirdly, it provides clues every 5 minutes so the participants don't get too stuck. It also applies penalties for wrong guesses. You can turn that off if you want to. And it's got back-end data analytics, so you can see how people are progressing through the activity. Now, before we actually use the decoder box in the classroom, we need to set it up. And that's something that doesn't take very long. Firstly, we plug it into our computer using the USB mini cable. The first time we do it, we might need to install a driver. That's available in the link there. The driver, once it's installed, we'll just access it as a normal USB device. In our app that we provide, you need to put in some simple information. The first, second and third answers for the puzzles, whether we want automated clues every 5 minutes, the total time for the activity, and the penalty time for incorrect guesses. Normally I leave that at 1 minute. You can then select the correct COM port in the drop-down menu and send it to the decoder box. That programs the decoder box. Now if you have multiple COM ports and aren't sure which one to use, the easiest thing to do is unplug your decoder box, relaunch the software and observe which ones are there, and then plug the decoder box back in, click refresh and see which new ones appeared. That's the one you need to use. Another thing you might want to do is assign a box ID. That way you can differentiate between different boxes and label them, and that way you can compare different groups afterwards with their analytics data and their survey data. The boxes support 3 alphanumeric digits. The default box ID is A01. All you need to do is open the software, select the box ID you'd like, and then click program, and it programs it onto the device for you. Now, after the escape room's been run, you can use some software to access the analytics data on the decoder boxes. We've got a separate piece of software to access this data, so you don't accidentally overwrite the data you had in there. All you need to do is open up the software, select the correct COM port again, and click to download that analytics data. That downloads it from the box for you. You can copy that into an Excel file or something like that for later data analytics. That should get you started in actually using the decoder boxes in the classroom and coupling them with whatever puzzles you're using.